Okay, just did the ultimate dumping and didn't press record. So we started on this canvas right here. I'll put it back down on the table and let you see it, and I'll tell you the colors that are in it. Sometimes I just get too excited, I guess. We have Liquitex Basic Cadmium Red Deep, Golden Cobalt Blue, Golden Prussian Blue, Golden Quinacridone Crimson with a little bit of Blick Fluid Lamp Black, Golden Micaceous Iron Oxide with a little bit of Liquitex Dioxazine Purple, and our CAs are a mixture of Amsterdam Naples Yellow Light and Amsterdam Warm Gray, and the Old Holland Iridescent Bright Gold. So let me just show you where it's at because it's been sitting while I've been cleaning up. Okay, here we go. This is where we're at right now. Okay, sorry about that. This is going to be another transfer, and because I missed it at the beginning, welcome to Feral Art Let's Paint. Okay, this is a 12-inch wood tabletop that we're going to be transferring onto. So let's get, this is our pillow, our PPG 473110. Okay, there's that. I'm gonna put some on here. We are good to go. Pick this up, and I'm gonna pick this up. And I'm going to transfer this. I'm going to pick this up. Yeah, we're trying it. All right, so we're going to try some pleats. Now, I talked to Shelly about this and told her I was just going to try it for the first time and make it my video. Now, I have done pleats before. It was a long time ago and didn't quite do them right. Well, right for some value of right. I talked to Shelly about it and she said, just let the paint flow off of your scraper naturally. That way it'll be organic instead of manufactured pleats. And so we trying it because that's what we do here. We experiment, we try things, right? Okay. Are there any egregious bubbles left? Let's get this moved over a little. I just want to kind of see what I got going here. My pleats are a little big over here. I wanted y'all to see, because sometimes I feel like, I had somebody say the other day, it seems like everything that you do is a success. No, baby. I start off just exactly where everybody else does, which is sort of in the coal mines, you know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying stuff over here. Now, often I've done stuff before that I put on my channel because I've been painting for 4 years, you know. And, you know, I'll admit I've done pleats before. They weren't done well. It's okay. I'm trying them again because I had someone request that I do pleats. And I said to the someone, but I suck at them. But we're going to try it anyway because why not, right? Right. All right. So with spinning, we will go. Okay. My pleats are not even. Not even a little even. That's okay. It's okay.
Change is constant, learning to flow. All the unknown, lemons thrown. May look different from what you've dreamed.
I always tell y'all I'm going to share the good, bad, the ugly. Now, I'm not sure this is bad or ugly or good. All of the cells that I worked so hard to get are gone because they were all on the outsides. How sad. But this is kind of cool. It's interesting. It'll do. I'm going to spin it again. I think we're probably about done spinning, but I am going to go one more time.
And contrast, making it art. What if happy can be built? Tuning.
Done. We're not moving. We are not moving. Now I could get a stick and stick it. Stick. Hardly anything left on there. Good enough. Good. Great. Fine. I am going to stick that bubble. And I don't see any other egregious bubbles. So let's have a look at what we got here. Okay, we do have pleats. We have really big pleats. We've got some neat color going on. I think it might be really cool when it's finished, like when it's dry. I'm not going to complain about it, you guys. I am going to say that I just need more practice. Fine, I can do that. I can totally do that. Yeah, I'm kind of amused on the one hand that I finally got a goodly amount of cells and then I span them all off. But anyway, our CA seems to have done its job pretty well. I like it. I like that gold is going to show up again on top of that Naples yellow and warm gray mixture. I like the fact that the colors are well represented and they came through. Now, the video that I saw of Shelly's, I'll try to remember to link it somewhere, looked absolutely nothing like this. Nothing. But it was my inspo, so there you go. So let's see about sparklies. Okay, what do we got? I don't see much. Maybe that's not the gold. Maybe that's just the other. Oh, here's maybe some gold. Yeah, there's some. Yeah, we've got, oh, there's some of that, probably the micaceous iron oxide showing through. I really like that paint. It's pretty cool. And I can see some sparkling. Oh yeah, there it is. Now, nothing in here except the micaceous iron oxide and the gold are sparkly at all. There's some micaceous iron oxide, all those little, see them? Yeah. So yeah, we have some sparklies. There's the gold. She pretty. So yeah, that's kind of cool right there, huh? Yes, indeed. That would be a pleat. Haha. So yeah, I'll see you guys when this is dry. Here are the dried results of my first pleat that I have done, trying to do it as Shelly said. Now, as you can see, I moved too fast, so my pleats are really big. This is a baseline, you guys. This is where we're starting. So don't get all wigged out. I'm sorry, I'm doing this from an angle because it is snowing outside and I don't want to stand in the snow. So it's chilly. But I did get pleats. I did. I got some. And the colors are all there. This didn't turn out exactly like I wanted it, but go figure, because it is the baseline. So give me a little grace here. We're going to keep going. We're going to see what happens. I'm going to try to get these right. So this is sort of a starting point. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Please leave me a comment. Interaction with these posts is really what helps get them seen and helps our channels grow. So yeah, you can share if you want to. That'd be great. And I'll get back to you in the comments. I always do. So until next time, have a great one.
into all that